We're just vibing.
All right, we are coming into our DVC room. It's 5253, and it is a one-bedroom villa. Coming in, you have an access door for a joining room if you want. Coming around here, you have a nice little island and some storage down here. You have a full-size fridge. If I can figure out how to open the door. Looks like ice cubes you can make. Nice fridge in here, nice storage. Got some nice tile work with animals on the backsplash there. Full-size coffee pot.
Oopsies.
Susie's turning on the garbage disposal. We have a garbage disposal. Have a toaster.
That's awesome.
They have wine glasses and regular drinking glasses. I'll try not to slam these cabinets because I'm terrible about it.
You are, but it's awesome.
Extra cookware here, some pots, a baking dish, some mixing bowls. Got a full-size stove, full-size dishwasher, and then you've got a little bit of counter space, some coffee cups, mixing bowls. Oops, there I go slamming. I told ya.
You can't help yourself.
Got some plates, bowls, dinner plates, small plates. Yep. And then underneath is some supplies, trash, extra towels, dish soap, sponge, all that fun stuff. Turning around is a closet. So you've got a closet here, ironing board, and you've got an iron as well, a shelf up above for storage. Coming out of there, oh look, there's the Christmas popcorn bucket.
It just happens to be here.
Just happens to be here, not sold here, but you can get it. Got the 2 chairs, table, nice bench, nice cool theming on the lampshade here. Yep, so coming around, got a stand with some drawers. You got some plugs, some USBs over here.
Like a little Simba.
Yeah, little table here. Nice little light fixture. This chair does pull out into a bed as well. And then you've got the coffee table, and you have the sofa bed here. It pulls out into a bed as well. Coming out here is our view.
Right now.
No animals at the
Oh,
moment.
there's an ostrich.
Oh, there is an ostrich in the distance.
He's coming your way.
Yeah.
There are 2 giraffes.
Yep, so 2 chairs and a table. And then of course over there is access to the same patio from the bedroom. We'll head this way and we'll go on into the other half of our room. A little short hallway with some art on the wall. Here we go. Straight ahead of us looks like, I would say, wash machine and dryer with a laundry basket as well. Got some laundry soap provided. Over here to the left is the bathroom. Got the 2 sinks. You got the makeup mirror with the light. Coming around, a little peekaboo. What do we got here? Looks like we got some more storage. And another mirror. And then they've got a closed door for the toilet here, which is nice, a little more private. And then coming around in full circle here, we got a couple hooks that hang the towels. Towel rack here. Nice cute little Lion King scene in the shower. Oh, it's a tub, it's a jacuzzi, and a shower as well. They do have the body wash, conditioner, and shampoo with the pumps. Very nice. Very nice. So coming out of the bathroom and going straight across, we come into the bedroom. We have some end tables here. Looks like some more plugs with USB. Looks like, what do you call this, an armoire? And it has the safe hangers, extra pillows for the bed out there, the chair bed and the sofa bed. And another dresser stand with plugs again, more plugs, more USBs. Still covering the remotes, keeping them clean and germ free. Nice decorations on the bed here. Another stand, just a cozy chair over here, and then there is a desk. Love the detail on it. Got Mickey's on it. Some cool stuff. Very themed, very nice. Nice little mirror lamp. And then you are able to go back out onto the patio. Come out here for you. Very nice. Well done, Disney.
Seems so graceful when they walk. No. That's so cool.
It's like slow-mo.
Think something scared him?
It's probably, I don't know, or maybe there's some food over in the other direction. I mean, just a little spunky.
A little spunky this morning. So awesome. He's off. So stand still. I think he's thirsty.
Guess we know throughout the wild.
Yeah, for sure. There's the other one. Hanging over there. There he is. Heading off. He's like, I don't know if I want to leave or not. I wonder if they stay together. Plus there's one far off in the distance too, you see him?
Oh, yeah.
Or is that a zebra?
No, that's not a zebra. That's might be something different. It's like a light brown butt.
Light brown butt.
Yeah, the ostrich is still chilling over there.
Yeah, this must be his space. It's a great habitat for them, you know, just to be able to
Oh yeah.
wander freely.
Not only is there grass, but they also bring feed in for.
Those horns are massive.
They said they're hollow.
Oh, are they?
Yeah, they like they. Yeah. Hollow, so they're super light. They look like they're heavy, but they're not.
Guy or girl? I'm not sure. I'd say a guy with the horns, but I could be wrong. I am definitely not a species expert. So our zebras have decided to come visit. Oh, look.
Yeah, they're trailing in.
Josh, you want to see the zebras come in? Oh, they're running. See them all? There's 4 of them. And that guy's still there. And the ostrich is over there now. And whatever that guy is.
What Toledo's? Such beautiful creatures.
They
Just so
are.
slow and
Graceful. Amazing.
what are these little nuggets up to over here? Having a little parade. nice.
That's a water buffalo. I just realized that.
Yeah, he's a water buffalo over there, and I think that's the wildebeest over yonder by the giraffes.
Oh wow. I wonder, like, they're moving now because the other ones are coming.
It's like chow time.
Look at these giraffes. Oh my god, he's drinking. There's another one.
Yeah.
That is so cool.
It looks so tiny from here. But yeah, he's going over to the feeder. Nice. Yeah, all the animals today. Got the zebras over there. Got the giraffes. Got the ostrich over yonder.
We do have quite a few animals right now.
Yeah.
He's eating something good.
Yeah. I don't know, is it a
Is it an animal?
I can't remember was that a water buffalo and that's
What's
the
in the
and the
giraffe's
wildebeest?
mouth right now moving? You see it?
What's
Oh, you
happening?
got the camera.
There's any grass in his mouth?
Yeah, and he pulled it up by the roots.
Looks like a little mouse or something.
He pulled it up by the roots. It's a great view from our balcony. Love it. There's another one coming through the trees.
Incredible.
He just dropped his stuff.
Look at this. This is so crazy, all this movement. They're so tall. There's going to be 3. We did miss a safari today, but this is totally making up for it. I think of all the times we've stayed here, this is definitely the most.
Animals at one time.
Yeah, like in one area. Look, they're all leaving. Goodbye. That's so cool. Uh-oh. Those two are not playing nice. The ostrich is holding his or her own. Here now.
It's weird, then. Out of here.
Good morning from Animal Kingdom Lodge. There's a little giraffe that's come to see us. Our ostrich is still hanging. Actually came back this morning. Looks like just those two on our little savannah view. This looks like a bigger giraffe than the others from yesterday. Maybe. Such amazing animals. And some people may not know, but their hearts are the size of basketballs, which is pretty incredible. I think he's enjoying, or she, having the feeder all to themselves. Going around here, following our giraffe. All right, we are heading on.
Wrap up our stay here at
Got a
the
little guy getting some water over there.
Animal Kingdom Lodge in our 1-bedroom villa.
It's been awesome.
And we'll be moving on to the Riviera.
Yep, we are. We're heading over.
Yeah.
It's been awesome.
It was a wonderful stay.
Great time. We're so awesome. Peace out.